Okay, we've got a Pentair DE filter that is not backwashing water. When you hit backwash, the water looks clear. It's not dirty like it's supposed to be. So let's open it up. You'll notice that lots of water coming out of the top, but almost no water is coming out through the grids. There's a lot of things that could be causing that, but most likely the air relief tube is just allowing too much water out. So what I'm going to do is restrict the flow coming out of the air relief tube, and we should see a significant difference. Okay, now changes have been made. Let's run it with the air relief tube restricted. You can see lots of water moving through the panels now. They're beginning to swell up, and the debris is turning loose. That's what it should look like. So thanks for watching.